Tomo Boost is a credit building tool that's designed to help users boost their credit scores quickly and efficiently without any hard credit checks. This is great news for anyone who's been held back by poor or no credit history, as the process doesn't negatively impact your credit score like some other methods might. What sets Tomo Boost apart is its focus on utilizing recurring payments to enhance your credit score. Payments like rent, utilities, subscriptions, and even gym memberships can count toward improving your score, which is a huge plus for anyone trying to build credit with the bills they're already paying. One of the standout features of Tomo Boost is the real-time credit monitoring that comes with the service. You can track your credit score and manage your credit profile all in one place, which is super convenient. The app also provides access to an AI-powered financial advisor offering personalized advice based on your financial situation. This could be a game changer for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the credit building process or isn't sure how to improve their financial health. And if there are any inaccuracies in your credit report, the service also helps you file disputes to remove errors that could be affecting your score. This is an important feature because even small mistakes on your credit report can drag down your score. Tomo Boost offers different membership tiers to suit different needs. The starter plan, priced at $8.33 per month, gives you access to a $1,000 credit line, bill tracking for 2 months, and credit monitoring. If you want to step it up, the premium plan at $33.33 per month offers a larger credit line of $10,000, more bill tracking time, and even the ability to dispute negative remarks on your credit report. For business owners, the VIP plan at $83.33 per month provides the most extensive benefits, including up to a $30,000 credit line, a new business credit card, and priority support, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to build both personal and business credit. However, there are some things to consider. While the idea of using recurring bills to boost your credit score is innovative, the actual impact on your credit score can vary. Some users have seen their scores go up by as much as 150 points, but it depends on individual factors like your existing credit history and how you use the service. Additionally, the pricing can be a little steep for some, especially the VIP plan. For those on a tight budget, the cost may outweigh the benefits, though the service offers clear value if you're serious about building or improving your credit quickly. In conclusion, Tomo Boost offers a simple and effective way to boost your credit score by leveraging the bills you're already paying. It's a good option for those who want an easy, hands-off way to build credit with the added benefit of personalized financial advice. However, the varying levels of impact on credit scores and the cost of the premium plans might not make it the perfect fit for everyone. But if you're looking for a tool to help boost your credit quickly, especially if you have recurring bills that can be tracked, Tomo Boost might be a solid choice to consider.